Hey there! Welcome back to The Quiet Creator. What if I told you their S1 AI tool that could replace 5 different apps you use daily? No more switching between tabs. No more cluttered tools. Just one smart assistant doing it all, saving you time, money, and stress. In today's video, I'll reveal this all-in-one AI powerhouse, break down the 5 apps it can replace, and show you exactly how to use it to level up your workflow. Whether you're a student, creator, business owner, or just curious about AI, let's dive in. So, what's the magic tool? It's called ChatGPT by OpenAI. Specifically, ChatGPT plus using GPT-4. Oh, hear me out. Now, before you say, wait, isn't that just a chatbot? This new version of ChatGPT is more than a chatbot. It's a writer, researcher, designer, coder, tutor, and even a planner, all in one. With the latest updates, it now includes tools like image generation with DALL-E file reading and summarization data analysis, custom GPTs, and even a built-in code interpreter. Let's see how it replaces 5 popular apps. First up, Grammarly. ChatGPT easily replaces Grammarly by checking grammar, spelling, and tone. But it goes further. Want to rewrite an email professionally? Or simplify a complex paragraph? Just paste it in, and it rewrites it instantly, in your style or any tone you choose. You can even ask for social media captions, blog intros, or essays with a click. Grammarly checks mistakes. ChatGPT writes from scratch and edits like a pro. Build a to-do list. Plan your week. Next up, project and task tools like Notion or Trello. Need to organize a content calendar? It'll make one in seconds. Editable and exportable. ChatGPT creates custom templates, schedules, and planners. Want a YouTube video production checklist? Doesn't just give you a to-do list. It can also automate planning, like assigning tasks, setting reminders, or even integrating with Notion using APIs if you're a bit techie. Now this is surprising. ChatGPT can replace Canva too. With its DALL-E image generation, you can ask it to create thumbnails, its product mockups, or even book covers. Want a YouTube thumbnail with a glowing AI brain and dark background? Upload the file and get it done in seconds. Creates one in seconds. And you can even edit it by saying make the text bolder or change the background to blue. While Canva gives you templates, ChatGPT gives you custom AI art from your imagination. Think you need Google to do research? Not anymore. ChatGPT acts like Google on steroids. It doesn't just give you links. It gives you summarized answers, citations, and explanations in your language and tone. Need a summary of a 20-page PDF? Want to compare Apple versus Samsung phones for a buying decision? It gives you pros, cons, and a recommendation. No clicking through 10 blog posts. It's your personal researcher working 24/7. Lastly, it can replace live chatbots or customer support tools. If you run a small business, you can build a custom GPT that answers fax, gives product info, or books appointments. No coding needed. It's like having a 24/7 virtual assistant without paying for a team. Now, you can even deploy it to your website, connect it to WhatsApp, or use it internally with your team. Now, let's be honest. ChatGPT is powerful, but it's not perfect. It can't fully replace tools that need collaboration, like team boards in Trello, or advanced design layers in Canva. Also, sometimes lacks real-time data or struggles with emotional tone. So you'll still need to review content before publishing. But as a personal AI assistant, it's closer than anything we've ever had. So there you have it, one AI tool that replaces 5 apps: Grammarly, Trello, or Notion, Canva, Google Search, live chat tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more faceless AI content daily. In the pinned comment and description, you'll find links, prompts, and tools we talked about. Thanks for watching The Quiet Creator. See you in the next video.